Welcome to Christmas in July 2026, or Christmas Quilting and Sewing, I guess, in July of 2026. This is my second year doing this series, and I am so excited to share everything I plan for this year's event. If you don't know me, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so glad you're here. So let's talk about what to expect, some changes, some things that are the same, and all of that good stuff. First, if you aren't sure what Christmas in July is, Christmas quilting, Christmas sewing in July, I'm not sure. It doesn't really flow if I say Christmas quilting in July, but whatever. This is an event that I started last year because I really wanted to help people get ready for the holiday season. Why July? Because we start to see the Christmas lines come out of new fabrics. The stores start stocking up, especially the craft and sewing stores start stocking up. There's lots of sales and everybody's just kind of gearing up. As quilters and sewists, we need time to make projects. So we have to start early or we will be stressed out in November. And I know I've been there. So I wanted to bring this to everybody so we can have a relaxing holiday season if we start early. Now you don't have to celebrate Christmas, of course. It's any holidays, and all of the projects I tried to make sure, I'd say 90% of them are projects that could translate into other holidays or other events as well. However, I do love Christmas too. So you will see a lot of Christmas fabrics and everything. Just know you can do it, whatever you want. Also, you don't have to watch this in July. You can watch this any time of the year. So if you're watching this at a different time of the year, it's okay, because there's tons of good stuff, I think, in here that are going to help you make projects and presents and small items for yourself. All of that wonderful stuff, just like last year. I'm also going to offer some tips and tricks and everything in between. Let's get started on what is the same this year, what is different, and something new I have coming up. Just like last year, I have a blog that is ongoing. I'll be updating it periodically for the days, and I'll have the links to the videos. I also have a special newsletter just for Christmas in July. Now, if you're on my other newsletter, which I hope you are, you'll still receive that, but you do have to sign up for this one as well because of laws and stuff on things being sent to you. So I have to make sure I follow all the laws, of course. As a gift for signing up, just like last year, you will receive a quilt block pattern, and it's the actual pattern for the scrappy quilt along that we start on Friday. So you'll get a little heads up, sneak peek, if you're signing up before Friday. As of Friday, but you can sign up anytime in the month of July of 2026, and you can get that free pattern too. But I encourage you to sign up early because I think I'm sending out 5 emails during the month, and you're going to get all kinds of good stuff too that is exclusive just to the newsletter, just like my other newsletter too. Each video each day will be posted at 9 a.m. Eastern time. The best way to find me is to subscribe, of course, and to hit that bell that'll alert you when a new video shows up. I'll also post on Facebook, on my Facebook group too, so you'll be able to get to it from that as well. And just like last year, Brendan and I will be doing a question and answer video each week on Wednesdays. Here's the dates when they will be. If you can make sure you get me your questions a few days before the air date, and I'll try to get to as many as I possibly can. This was a lot of fun, and everybody enjoyed seeing Brendan answer some of the questions too. You can ask us anything about quilting, the projects, anything at all, and we probably will answer. You can email them to me, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to find all of the questions that you have and answer them. So something new that I wanted to add this year is getting all of you involved as well. So I decided to add a day, which is June 21st. It will be a Christmas quilt parade day. And I will show pictures that you send me of all of your Christmas quilts. So you can email them to me. The deadline, let me double check, is Thursday, July 16th. And actually, it could be any holiday quilts. I'd love to see them, and I'm going to show them on display. We're going to have like a show and tell sort of slideshow type thing. So you'll get to see all of the quilts out there and get inspiration from them, hopefully. And just a fun way to show off what we've made for our own holidays. Now, one big thing that's different this year is I'm only doing 25 videos instead of 31. I decided to cut it back to 25 just because I felt like it was getting redundant, and it was a lot. I felt like 31 was just too much. So 25 it is, 25 days in December, 25 days in July. That kind of made sense to me in my head for this event. And we'll see, maybe I'll add in a few bonus videos, but probably not. This is probably gonna be the way it is it's just much more doable for me. And I feel like you'll get better quality videos doing it this way. And I think that's it. That's all the announcements. I have a sheet here. I'm trying to remember everything. This is, out of all of the videos for the month, this is the hardest one to record because there's so much I need to give you. So that's the way it is. Anyway, I hope you join me for this month, and I'm so excited about all the projects and fun stuff I have planned, and I can't wait to get started. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.